Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Now today we'll do homogeneous differential equation. First let me know what is the definition of homogeneous differential equation. For that we'll take one example. The example is of the form f of xy is equal to x cube minus 3xy square plus y square. Sorry, y cube. Okay, see here the power is cube. Here the variable power x is 1, here 2, 1 plus 2 what it is 3. And here the power is 3. Means in each and every term the variable of power is same. Okay, means if they are same we say that it is a homogeneous. Okay, for example if I take f of xy is equal to x square plus y square. X square plus y square. See here the power of x variable 2, here also 2. Means each and every term of the variable forms is a same. Such type we say that it is a homogeneous. Next if I take f of xy is equal to x square plus y. Here the power of x is 2, but here the variable power of y is 1. Means they are different. Then we say that it is not a homogeneous. Okay. For detailed explanation, I will tell you how we say that a homogeneous differentiable equation. For that, consider the function f of xy, that is x cube minus 3xy square plus y cube. Okay. Replace x as lambda x, y as lambda y. That is in the form of f of lambda x comma lambda y. Replace x as lambda x. We get it is lambda x the cube minus 3 lambda x lambda y the square plus lambda y the. We get it is lambda cube x cube minus 3 lambda x and it is lambda square y square plus lambda cube y cube. We will get it is lambda cube x cube minus 3 and it is lambda square into lambda. We get it is lambda cube xy square plus lambda cube y cube. We will get it is in the form of lambda cube and here lambda cube common. Take outside. We will get it is x cube minus 3xy square plus y cube. And this is lambda cube f of xy. F of lambda x into lambda y can be done as lambda cube f of xy. Okay, see such type of function we call it as homogeneous differential equation. See the definition says what? A function f of xy in the variable x and y. See the function f of xy in the variable x and y is called homogeneous function of degree n. Is called homogeneous function of degree n if f of lambda x lambda y can be written as f of lambda x lambda y. Means replace x as lambda x, y as lambda y. You can write lambda to the power n f of xy for some non-zero constant lambda. For some non-zero constant lambda. Okay, if you replace we get it is lambda to the power 3. Means this 3 represent degree. Okay, it is a homogeneous differential equation of degree what it is 3. Homogeneous differential. Suppose if they mention verify is the given function is homogeneous or not. Means replace x as lambda x, y as lambda y. Then we'll get it is in the form of lambda to the power n f of xy. Such type of function we call it as homogeneous function. Suppose if they mentioned what is the degree of the homogeneous differential equation, means we can say that it is a homogeneous differential equation of degree 3. Okay. Another one example I will take. Next one. Next example is f of xy is just concentrate. F of xy is x square by x square plus s square. Okay. Replace here x as lambda x, y as lambda y. Okay, then we get it is lambda x square plus lambda x square plus lambda y the square. We get it is lambda square x square divided by lambda square x square plus lambda square y square. Just concentrate, this is lambda square x square. Which one is common here? Lambda square common. We get it is in the form of x square plus. Okay. Just concentrate. If the function and this is in the form of lambda square get cancelled, we get this lambda to the power 0. Correct? It is lambda 2 minus 2 according to theorem of indices, lambda to the power 0. We get it is x square by x square plus y square. And this comes as lambda to the power 0 f of x. Same for leakage. Understood? See the definition. If f of xy is a function by x square by y, x square plus y square, if we replace x by lambda x, y by lambda y, we will get, see, it is lambda square by lambda square into x square and lambda square x square plus y square. Lambda square get cancelled, lambda to the power 0 f of xy form. The same form we get. Means we say that it is a homogeneous function of differential equation of degree 0. Or else another form also we can say that, see, the function is in the form of f of xy divided by g of xy. Please concentrate. The function is in the form of f of xy divided by g of xy. See, this is numerator is f of xy, denominator is g of xy of degree same. If they are degree same, these two are degree same, then we say that it is a homogeneous differential equation. Another form of telling the definition. Okay. Next, another one example I will take. Next example. That is x square plus 1. Replace x as lambda x and y as lambda y. We get lambda x square plus lambda y. Okay, this can be written as lambda square x square plus lambda y. Take lambda for 1. We get lambda x plus y. Is it the function f of xy exists or not here? No. Here, which one is there? Lambda is there. Therefore, this function is now a homogeneous differential equation. Why? By seeing we can say that, see here the power of variable x is 2, but here it is 1. Therefore, by seeing the example we can say that it is not homogeneous, but for verification replace x as lambda x, y as lambda y. We will not get it is in the form of the same pattern. Therefore, it is not a homogeneous. Okay. These are the examples based on for 2 marks question. Verify is the given function is a homogeneous function or and this lambda to the power n represent degree. Okay. Next, I will take the function f of xy. Just concentrate, x square by x square plus y square. Just now we have done the example verification it is homogeneous or not. If it is homogeneous, we can the function by taking, just concentrate, by taking x common, that is here you can take x square common, we get it is 1 divided by, just concentrate, 1 divided by, right? This one is in the form of dividing numerator and denominator by, x square, we get x square plus y square by x square, we get it is 1 divided by x square plus y by x the whole square. Okay, this is of the form or dividing throughout by what it is numerator and denominator by x square, we get it is of the form 1 divided by x square plus y by x the whole square. Okay. And here the given differential equation we converted, it is in the form of y by x. Okay. Means the function we can write it is in the form of x to the power n f of y by x, or y to the power n f of x by y. Means the function can be converted in the form of x to the power n f of y by x. What we have done here, f of x y is equal to x square by x square plus y square. Means if I done division, what will get it is what 1 divided by 1 plus y by x the whole square. 1 divided by 1 plus y by x the whole square. We'll get it is in the form of, okay, dividing numerator and denominator, we get, means we are taking which one is common here, x square is common, means this is exist in the form of like this. Means here by taking x to the power 2 common, x to the power 2 common, we'll get it is of 4. Okay, and we replace it is in the form of f of y by x. Suppose if I take y to the power 2 common, we'll get it is in the form of f of x by y. Means for solving the example, we can convert either it is in the form of x to the power n f of y by x, or y to the power n f of y by x. Okay, then we can do the simplification. Okay, next, working rule for homogeneous differentiable equation. Working rule for homogeneous differential equation. First one, very first step, we have to convert. Very first step, we have to convert it is in the form of first step is put y by x is equal to b. We have to write put y by x is equal to b. Second step, we consider y equal to vx and differentiate v with respect to x. Means we get it is dy by dx is a function of how many number of variables? 2 variables. Therefore, we write v as it is x differentiation d by dx of x plus x as it is, do the differentiation of v dv by dx, and it is v, differentiation of x is 1 plus x dv by dx. Means v plus x dy by dx. dy by dx is v plus x into dv by dx. Means that one we have to substitute in the given differential equation. Later onwards, integrate separately. Integrate separately v and x. Better we can write v with respect to x separately. Third one. Next, fourth one, put y equal to v equal to y by x in the solution. Then we get the required value. Okay, this is the procedure. Okay, this is the procedure of the calculation of homogeneous differential equation. Okay, we'll take example based on that. First example is dy by dx is x plus y divided by x plus y by x. Verify is the given differential equation is homogeneous differential equation or not, and solve it. This is the question. Therefore, very first step is we have to verify is it homogeneous or not. For that, the solution I will take first given function f of x1 is x plus y divided by x. Replace x as lambda x, y as lambda y. You get it is lambda x plus lambda y divided by lambda x. Take lambda common, you get x plus y divided by lambda into x. You get it is lambda get cancelled, means lambda to the power 0 x plus y by x, means it is lambda to the power 0 f of xy, means the same term you will get here. This definition says therefore it is a homogeneous differential equation of degree 0. This is a homogeneous differential equation of degree 0. Okay, by knowing this, next mention solve it, means you can convert either in terms of y by x or x by y. For that I will take dy by dx is divide by x separately, we get 1 plus y by x, means the differential equation you will get it is in the form of y by x. Therefore that one you want to substitute, put y by x is v, put y by x is v, means y is equal to vx, and already we have done the differentiation, already given in the working rule, dy by dx is v plus x into dv by dx. Substitute the value of dy by dx in equation 1. We get substitute dy by dx. What we get it is v plus x into dv by dx is 1 plus y by x. V plus x into dv by dx is 1 plus y by x. But y by x, what we consider y by x is v. Y by x is v. And this v get cancelled. Left it is x into dv by dx is 1, or dv is equal to dx by x. Then do the integration separately. Integration of 1 into dv, integration of 1 by x into dx. 1 integration is v, 1 by x is log x, plus, and replace v as what? Y by x. Y by x is log x plus c. This is the solution of the given differential equation. We are doing the example like this. Okay. Next example I will take. Next example is dy by dx. Dy by dx is x square plus y square divided by x into y. And mention, verify is it the given differential equation is homogeneous function and solve it. Okay. For that, for homogeneous differential equation, we have write f of xy is x square plus y square divided by x into y. Replace x as lambda x, y as lambda y. We get f of lambda x comma lambda y is lambda x square plus lambda y square divided by lambda x into lambda y. We get it is lambda square x square plus lambda square y square divided by lambda square x y. We get lambda square x square plus y square divided by lambda square x into 1. Lambda square get cancelled. We get lambda to the power 0 x square plus y square divided by x into 1. Means we get it is lambda to the power 0. Again is the function f of x is exists. Therefore it is homogeneous differential equation of degree 0. Okay. Next, we have to solve this. For that, solution, because this is better, we have to convert it as in the form of either y by x or x by y. Better I will convert it in the form of what? Y by x. Means divide with what? X square by xy plus y square by x. Separate. 1x, 1x, 1y, 1y get cancelled. Correct. And this is of the form. Better I will write. This is in the form of divide numerator and denominator by what? X square. So that I can get it is in the form of y by x. X square by x square plus y square by x square divided by xy by x square. Okay. See, this is x square get cancelled 1 plus y by x the whole square divided by 1x get cancelled, that it is y by x. Okay. All this is equation 1. This is in the form of y by x pattern. Therefore, we have to take put y by x is b. Means y is equal to bx. Therefore, dy by dx is b plus x into dv by dx. That one we have to substitute in the equation 1. Put dy by dx value in equation 1. Okay, we get substitute. Dy by dx means it is b plus x into dv by dx is equal to 1. Y by x is b, 1 plus v square divided by, or x into dv by dx is 1 plus v square divided by v minus 1, or 1 plus v square, like there is minus v square by v is x into dv by dx, or x into dv by dx is 1 by. Okay. Then we get the answer. It is of the form. Take v one side, x one side. It is v into dv is dx by x. Numerator, denominator. Then integrate separately. V into dv integration of 1 by x dx. V integration is v square by 2. 1 by x is log x plus c. What is v? V is 5 by x. Substitute because our answer dv is in the form of x and y. Okay. In this way we can do the examples based on homogeneous differential equation. And such type of examples are asked in the exam for 3 marks question. Okay. Thank you.